All right, let's talk about the secret glue of needle felting. Now, this is amusing to me because there's no glue. Everybody always asks, how do you get it to stick together? And they're looking for a spot where they can see some stitching or some secret to how it's stuck together. And I say, no, 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 the secret glue is always the fuzzy tufts at the bottom edge of anything you're adding on. And what I mean by that is, it's really hard to get an already felted object to stick to another already felted object. There's not enough hairs to travel or migrate through to embed itself in there. So what you really need are these loose, fluffy ends. So when you go ahead and put that where you want to see it, I like to fluff all this out so it's fluffy all the way around. And then when I put it where I want it, the glue is really a few deep pokes through the base of that ear, and then I'm going to poke in all that fluff surrounding it. But at the end of the day, if you don't have that fluff in there, then it's going to be really difficult to make a really secure connection because that ear will always be sort of separate. It's all that loose fluff that really allows those two things to bind together. So I use this technique whenever I'm adding legs on a sheep. The ears always have a loose tuft at the end. That is what really enables it to get really deeply stuck down. So before you attach a beak, before you attach ears, a tail, always fluff out the bottom edge and get a nice deep firm attachment on there before you continue.